Did you know Not Too Shabby has a card challenge every month? You can find it on our blog. I'll have the link in the description box. We would love for you to come on over and play. Anyone can enter the challenge. You don't have to have a blog or even social media. So all you have to do is link up your card to our In Links party link. We have a sketch this month. So Teresa Russell creates our blog challenges every month. And this month is a sketch challenge or a mood board challenge. You can choose either one or do both. Here is the mood board. You can grab some inspiration from there and create a card. So if you wanted to use bees or a patriotic theme or a summer theme. So if you are purchasing our paper pads, this is a fun way to use them up. Join the challenge. So here's some fabulous inspiration that Teresa provides every month. You can use any products on hand that you have. It doesn't have to be a Not Too Shabby branded product, but if you do use Not Too Shabby brand, then you will get an extra entry for your submission. And you're allowed up to 3 entries, so if you use Not Too Shabby products, you can get up to 6 entries. So I've cut out all my pieces. The paper pads you see here will be back in stock on around June 20th. And today I'm using It's a Fresh Summer paper pad. So I have all my pieces cut out. So I'm gonna start putting my layers together. So I am using this to match this layer here. It's just gonna be a very thin border. I really like the look of matting your panels. If you've been watching Helen from Crafty Mama Diaries, she's on our design team. And I love her cards. She's been matting her cards lately, and I really like the look of it. I just don't own a lot of colored cardstock. So when I can use some of the cardstock from the pattern papers, something like this glittered pattern is perfect for me to use to make a frame around my card or my panel. I love this watermelon paper. It's just so beautiful. And a small restock is coming on the 20th of June. So if you haven't picked it up yet, get on the waiting list so you'll be notified as soon as I list those. So this is going to be a very thin border. I know I should have cut the inside out so I didn't waste so much of the paper. That's a little hack. You can, trim out a square on the inside and then use that. So we would love for you to join the card challenge. Come support the shop. Head on over to the blog to see what it's all about. Just link up your card and then we'll pick one winner on the 2nd of each month. We pick the winner. So I cut my little banner here, and I think I'm gonna do this card landscape instead of portrait like the sketch. And when you're following a sketch, you don't have to always do it exact. You can put your own spin on it. So again, here's the sketch. So I'm just gonna face it this way, and I want this pattern in the middle. So we're gonna tuck this one like that. And then, let's see, so if it was facing this way, it'd be going like this. So I'm gonna face it this way, and then I'm gonna have my sentiment like this. I think I want it this side. Okay, so I'm gonna pop up my little squares, I think, and my sentiment. So what I'm going to do is put a little glue try to get these even as possible. And then I'm going to pop up this whole section. And then for this sentiment here, I'm only going to pop up half of it and glue the other half straight down. So for our card challenge, one crafter will win a $15 gift certificate to the Not Too Shabby shop. Okay, so I'm going to add my little cluster right in the center here, more down towards the bottom. And then I've got my little sentiment here, and I'm going to, I guess, butt that up to the top here and add some glue to the bottom. I'm going to flip it around so I can see exactly where the top is. And I think I want to move it over just a little bit. No, I don't. No, I don't. It's on there. That will have to do. Okay, so here is my card. And you know what? This card needs some gems. I'm going to use, this calls for confetti sparkle all the way. I just got a restock of the confettis in the shop. So if you want to check out all the delicious looking mixes that they have to offer, I just love their confetti. It's so pretty. Looks like I have enough here on the desk. So let's use that. So I'm just going to sprinkle them around the card. Okay, I think that's good. So that completes the card. Just a real cute, simple card. I would love for you to come join us over at the challenge. I'll have the link to the blog in the description box so you can click on it and check it out. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll talk to you real soon. Bye, guys.